samsracing.com. That would be spelled sams-racing.com. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to replace all these lights I've got in the front and just mount 2 of these FYRLYTs. Close to 300-400 miles on these lights. You can see on these we've melted the reflector. And the reflector shattered all the hell. I don't know if you This light spreads out and gets just as far as all 9 of the lights I had on the truck. The quality on this light is just amazing. It's got billet aluminum base, billet aluminum adjustment here, so we can go from a wide beam, basically turn it, go to a spot beam, so we've got 2 different adjustments in the light there, and also quickly pull out from back here and change the bulb. I just got back from putting about roughly 50 miles on this race truck, and most importantly, these FYRLYTs here. And JJ gets to clean them up here a little bit and get to see that, see how well they held up. These lights right here, genuinely, honestly, are the most badass freaking light I've ever seen. They are the light to replace all the lights. It was sweet cruising around in the middle of the night and having the most blinding, brightest lights ever. Want to see how bright these things are? Come by the shop.